This is my robot car that for the transmitter and receiver I used an old RC car's transmitter and receiver. So I'm gonna see how this works. It's very slow because my batteries are very low, and this is running on 3 voltage instead of 5 voltage because this is a 3.7 volt battery. And for turn left and right, this would run, and for the other one, this would run. The batteries are very low, so we can't actually see this correctly. I hope you can see. Thank you, sir.